Today is the 2nd of May 2022. We're here on Comino. We've got the Common Kestrel that was brought to us on the 18th of October 2021 by EPU. This bird has got was previously shot, but it has no fractures. But all its wings and tail feathers were cut, which indicates that this bird was trapped. So it spent some time at the rehab center with us, and it was seen by the vet to regrow the feathers. And now it's been ringed and weighed and ready to be released.
So it's the 2nd of May on this beautiful day here at Għadira Nature Reserve, and we're going to attempt to release this purple heron. This bird came into our care on the 29th of April. It was found to have a bit of damage to the wing and body pellets, confirming that it had been shot. But thankfully the vets assessed it and said that provided we can rehab it for a couple of days and it's fit to be released, we would be able to release it today.
Okay then.
حيتين أخذته وجيتي تضايقت. It's okay. Look at more. Cool. Look at more. There he is. And you get back to him side.
صابوه.
خليك يمور أنا. تبي نلسته. تبي نلسته بيعلي تيويك.
So it's the 20th of May, and today is a special day for us because we are releasing two bee eaters, which is the first time we've ever rehabilitated this species. And the one I have is it's a male bird, and it's been with us since September. It came in with a broken wing, and it's been under our care since then. And the other one.
And the bee eater I'm holding, this is a female. This was picked up on the 25th of April this year from Mġarr, and this bird was just found weak, basically. So after a few weeks in our care, this bird has now regained strength, and it's ready to be released as well with this bee eater.
So we're gonna release them together. They are social birds, so they migrate in flocks. We're just at the end of their migration season, so hopefully they will go on and continue to migrate to Sicily. And we'd like to thank obviously the people who handed over these birds to us to be able to do the rehabilitation of these birds. And also it's been quite a learning process for us to be able to rehabilitate this species and be able to release it in the wild. So we thank a lot all the people who are supporting us in this work.
Today is the 24th of May. We've got Turtledove with us. It was brought to us on the 29th of April, and it was seen by the vet who confirmed that it was shot. It had a fracture on the left wing, and it spent some time at rehab with us now. And today we ringed it, and now we can release it.
Okay.
Today is the 31st of May. We've got the Common Kestrel here. It's a female. We got it from a member of the public, and it was confirmed shot. It had a fracture on the right wing and also pellets in the body. Now we tested it, and the kestrel looks ready to fly, fit to fly. We ringed it and checked its weight, and now we are ready to release it.